Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press notification bell icon and like my video. How US rules the world. It started after World War II after the invention of semiconductors in United States. World's biggest computer manufacturing company IBM is from US. Biggest chip manufacturing company Intel is from US. And even operating system we are using in our computers and laptops is from US, that is Microsoft. And even its alternative, Linux, macOS, is also from United States. Operating system of our smartphones is Android, and even alternative of that, iOS, is also from United States. So even if you have indigenous electronic gadgets manufacturing companies, you have to pay to US for using chips or installing software in the gadgets. If you have developed an app, you have to pay to Google Play Store or iStore for registration of apps. There is no alternative of these stores. All main browsers, that is Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, is from United States. And if you want to make a website, that you have to pay for that to US as well. All big tech companies, that is Google, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, you name it, all from US. And these platforms are influencing and watching us closely, and they are the source of intelligence gathering for United States as well. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press notification bell icon and like.